Being able to order things on the internet and have them sent to our homes has been great. Everyone loves to have that possibility in their lives. But one of the biggest bummers about having to do that is that you have to fill out forms all the time. In this challenge, we're going to do a little bit of work to try and eliminate a little bit of the redundancy that you see in so many forms, especially on e-commerce sites. So here on Hansel and Petal, we have this shipping area. And as with pretty much any web form, we ask for the city, the state, and the zip code. This is redundant. We can derive from the zip code what the city and state are. So why do we always have to type this? There is a solution. It's called Ziptastic, and just like it says here, it's an API for getting back the city and state based on the zip code. It couldn't be simpler, really. So this is the original site for Ziptastic, and there is a second site called Ziptastic API, which you can call directly and will give the data back to you in JSON-P format, so you can call it directly from jQuery. So the challenge is to make this form automatically fill in the city and state when the zip code is entered. Now remember I said that many API websites have differing levels of documentation? This is pretty much the entire thing on Ziptastic API. Now, it's a very simple API. It's very short. So just note that the structure of these URLs is different than what we saw on the Sunlight site. So to recap the challenge, here it is. We're going to stop the redundancy. We're going to make a request of ziptasticapi.com for the city and state based on a zip code that we're going to submit to it. We're going to get that data back and update the form accordingly. One hint is that you should note the structure of the request URL. The way that parameters are passed to Ziptastic API is a little different from the way it works with Sunlight. So you may need to do some tinkering with the setup of your getJSON function to make this work. That's your challenge. Good luck.